Hiya, I'm MK Scrapper UK and I'm bringing you a little scrap video from our scrap pile, part 4. We have a Toshiba DVD player. It's in rough shape, a bit bent up. I've already undone the screws. So let's have a quick look at this one. Oh, look at that, the back come off and all. Okay, let's have a little look. Okay. So, power board, DVD ROM. This would probably be our main board over here. So let's just start by zooming in a little bit. There we go. Getting the light there. It's late. Last video took forever uploading. Okay, I think that one's soldered to the board. So we will just cut that. Okay, let's have a look at our board. Okay, what do we have? Copper coil. What's behind there? I think that's might be a high voltage capacitor. Okay, a little bit of alley, MOSFET on there. I believe that's more copper in there, yep. And that is it for this board for us, nothing on the bottom. Okay, let's get the next one. Okay, what else is there? Let's go with this board. This was a TV, I'd call this the main board. So, there we go. Icy chip, there's never anything in there. And that is it. Got a wire on here though. So let's cut that off. Little ribbon. No gold on there. Okay, so there's just these IC chips, and that is all we want from that. Won't be worth shoving that in the oven. Just cut them off manually, be quick. When the time comes. Okay. I'm just excuse me, just cutting this off the this cable here, so I can get my single cables box. There we go. What's next? This board, some nice big IC chips on there. And another one in there, and another little one there. A crystal oscillator. There's no gold pins in here. Oh, and we've got some more ICs on the back. That's good for ICs. And I think that's about it for this one. So, yeah. Next, appears to be stuck. Hold on. Oh, yeah, there's nothing on that. Okay, we've freed ourselves. Okay, there's some more screws in the front here. I'm just going to pause while I undo them. Okay, let's see. Why can't we? There we go. Right. So that there. Plastic. Missed one. Missed two actually. Damn it. Oh, you're gonna have to grin and bear it with these ones. Okay. Let's see. What's on this board? So we got our IC chip here, some wire, some ribbon, and on the other side what do we have? A couple of push buttons and another push button over here, and this digital display. This is plastic, that can go. Okay, well, you know what we do with digital displays, we rip them open. Rip them open. Silvery. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's no gold traces there. Pretty sure we'll just see them ones in the back. Nice. Very, very nice. There we go. That is glass, so we do have to be careful. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied there's no gold traces on that one. Alright, so we still got some buttons for silver recovery. I'm not 100% sure if that's silver. I'll have to look into it. And we got the IC chip on the back there, so that's a nice big IC. Okay, next. More ribbon cable there. We will take this apart with our other CD/DVD drives, but we basically got a little motor here, I think. A little motor underneath that one. This is the laser eye. I'm not sure there's anything in there, but we'll cut it open. Yeah. So a couple of little copper motors on there, and we'll rip that apart when we do our CD/DVD drives. Okay, what's our next one? We have a Skybox, Sky HD Plus box. We had one of these not so long ago, so let's see if it will put apart this time. See, there we go. These pull backwards, these sides. Sometimes they don't like to comply, and they don't come off, and then the top pushes forward, I believe. After we get these catches off the side. Catch on the side there. Catch on the side off. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Pushes forwards, and then all that plastic comes off. Can be a bit difficult. Okay, what we got on the front, we got our push buttons attached with some ribbon cable, and that comes straight off. Excellent. rip that ribbon paper right off if you can. And, so they're push buttons for silver recovery. Some more push buttons here for silver recovery. We've got these little metal twist clips in. So a couple of them. Should just lift that one out. There we go. Okay. Another ribbon here. There we go. We'll just cut that there. I'll just cut this here. Do it now, saves me doing it later. And on the front, we've got some more little twist metal bits. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 should come up now. Got little plastic clips over the edge there. There we go. And there we go, we're free. Right, I'm going to unscrew these. Give me 1 second. Okay, we've got them screws out. Let's lift this top up. Got a couple of turning clips, but it's coming up okay, so I'm not going to bother. And there we go. A nice big hard drive, some wire. Oh, I haven't undone that one yet. This wire here, this one here. Wire. More wire. All adds up. All this little wire. Get that off. That's off. Okay, what's on our first board? We've got a little bit of painted alley. Okay. More alley here. It's very thin, but and they say you can't get nothing from these chips, so just leave them. That's what they say anyway. But we've got these BJAs here. Copper coils. I think there's some copper in that one as well. I'll have to cut it open. Gold contacts. Here, 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 here. Probably there as well. So the board's good. I only see one screw holding it in, so I'll quickly take that out. Oh yeah, and the gold pins go right through, so just need them gold pins go right through, so you just need to wedge it up a little bit. Okay, that's it for that board. Right, I'm just going to unscrew this fan because I haven't done that. do, just get the wire off there, and we just cut there, and it's free. That's some chasing some copper with that. Okay, wire. Right, can't get that off because I can't quite see what I'm doing, so we will wait. Okay, screw here, and one more screw up here. Okay. Take over this corner. There's a tag in there, back corner. Push it out of the way. There we go. It should be free now. Come on. Why aren't I free? There we go, now I'm free. IC chip, gold recovery. There's a tiny speck there. Copper coil, copper. IC, crystal. Couple of little copper spoils in there. Anything on the back? Nothing on the back. Okay, so we'll be chasing that soon. Now we want our hard drive. And I need pliers. I buried them under some boards. Just some bent metal here I want to straighten up. Another piece there. That should come free now. It always wants to give you trouble, this one. There we go. Right, Ali. Perfect. And there we go. Another 500 gig. Excellent. So that'll give me the means to fix my son's computer. His hard drive's just failed. Right, let me pause while I grab the next one. Is it paused? It doesn't look like it. No. Okay. I do believe this is one of the old skyboxes. There we go. Plastic, a lot of plastic on this one if I remember right. Size of plastic. Yeah. Okay, so we got a button board right away there. And we'll just cut this straight away. And that can go. You know, get this off. Just a button board. It's a silver recovery. Okay, what's next? Can this come off? It can. Just plastic. Okay, I'm going to undo some more screws and then we'll attack it some more. Okay, so a couple of the screws here wouldn't undo, so I've got this side. Just cut this side we're going to pull that across. Pull this off. Right. Cut these wires. Okay. There is something you can do with LEDs. I've not done it myself, so I don't know. So I'll have to look into that. Okay, so that's that front panel. One IC chip. Cut this cable again. Put it off there. Sometimes these have got a bit of gold on them. In laptops they do anyway. Yeah, see? Don't know if you can see it. It's very, very tiny up the top there. And it's also very, very light. So it's not heavy gold. But we're still going to chase it. Our power boards. So it's not going to come off. Coming off whether it likes it or not. Okay. You can see some damage around that capacitor there. Not through the other side. It's not blown up, but that doesn't mean it's not going to stop working. Right, so we've got a copper core there straight away. That might be a high voltage, might be a silver contact. Got to rip it open and see. Copper coil under there, copper coil, capacitors. Yes. So you just touch it with the metal. That's it for that board. Okay. Okay, so don't know about this one. Yeah, it's like a computer cable. Got some pins in here. They're really low recovery though. If there's anything on there at all, I can't see anything. Yeah, that's nothing on that one. Okay, so we'll put the cable off there. Now, I don't think there's anything in them either. If they were, you'd see the gold on the bottom. So that's just nothing now. That can go in your scrap. Okay, so we've got a cold corner. Everyone loves them. If everyone else loves them, you know I do too. Alright, so yep, gold pins in there. Might have some copper inside that. Let's rip it open if we can, if it will let us. There we go. No, but we do have a chip and a crystal oscillator. So we've got some ICs, BGAs. It's not valuable really. The only thing that makes this one valuable is the gold corner chip. We've got some gold pins here as well. And that's it for that one. Okay, so that one's done. And next is another skybox. So plenty of plastic. There we go. Now, wedge your screwdriver in there and push it forward. Should do it. There we go. Oh, hang on a minute. This one's got the card in it. The card's got a little gold chip there. So that's valuable recovery as well. Okay, so this one's wireless. I don't remember seeing a wireless card in the other one. No, I don't remember seeing it. There's nothing on there. Might be something under here. I'm not sure. Can't get into it. I can't get into it. Ah. One chip. These have got gold plating on these connectors, and connectors on the end here have gold plating on as well. And the wire can go in our wires. There we go. Let's quickly redo this one. Okay, so I have a feeling buttons gonna run out of time. Let me pause while I undo everything and we'll look at the boards. Okay, so I stripped that all down. In case you're wondering, the hard drive isn't any bigger, still a 500 gig, even though that one was wireless. Our button board, our power board, we've got some copper on there, some gold pins, so worthy of our recovery. And we've got a load of gold pins on the other board and a few copper coils on there, and that'll be worth our time as well. So that'll be it for me for tonight. It's getting late now, 12:30. So I'm going to have a cup of tea, go to bed, and tomorrow we'll be bringing you our finds. It's rubbish day, so we've got that to look forward to. Hope you join me then. Thank you and good night. Like, share and subscribe.